Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Have you seen the Netflix original series on Street Food Asia? If you have Netflix and haven't checked it out yet, you should try to watch some of it. If you don't have Netflix, what it is that it shows all the street food in Southeast Asia. And one of the episodes that caught my attention is the Singapore episode because I used to live there. And one particular dish was Putu Piring. And the reason why I was intrigued by this is because it's similar to some of the desserts in Filipino, such as putu bigas, putu balanghoy, amongst others. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook putu piring. But first, if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, and delicious dishes. And click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to get notified when I upload amazing recipes. Now, back to the video. Traditionally, you would use a pandan leaves for this, but since it's not available where I'm at, I'm just using the pandan extract. If you have pandan leaves, then use it. For me, I'm just using pandan extract. Hope it tastes out right. If you don't have a steamer, all you need is a wok, a wire stand, then just pour some water in it, cover it, and that could be your steamer.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe.